Yeah. This is a compressor station, new one going in. Looks like at least 5 compressors. And you have the back part here with the dehydrators. Oh, this is new, fairly new. It's just a couple of months, few months. This is one of our 38 compressor stations. And I believe it's at the Oakley, near the Oakley pad, the Lowther pad. And this may be Lathrop or Springville. All far.
We live in an amazing area.
I know.
So gorgeous and so horrible at the same time.
Right. Oh, beautiful farmland. It's right near farms. You can see the farmland right across the road. Beautiful farmland, and we've got all these compressors and well pads all around. We're up to 450 well pads, approximately 985 gas wells. 38 compressor stations, and hundreds of miles of high pressure pipelines. I'm doing a gas tour with a group from North Carolina. They want to see what might be coming to them and what they can do to somehow warn people and